Right, sorry for the F1 noises, I thought it sounded cool. Right, now here is our E36 318 IS BMW build. We're going to do it all on £1,000 budget. We bought the car for 400 quid. We're getting a full body kit, including wheels, skirts, bumpers and spoiler. We may have to get a new boot lid as the number plate was hiding two nasty holes that we found later down the line. What a typical BMW. Now let's start off with a strip down. Right, so far today we've got it stripped down. We did start sanding this wing in the door, but we've still got loads to mask up. I'm just going to take the bonnet off, make it easier. We've got the wheels and that off, well, we're waiting for the new wheels and body kit, but we're going to refurb the old wheels and sell them on, or keep them as skid tires. But just getting there, we're going to have to get a new boot. The boot's a bit rotted. But yeah, getting there, stay tuned.